Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. You got your girl Purple and baby, and today guys I'm bringing y'all in the kitchen with your girl. She's getting in the kitchen for a change. I know since I've been with child I haven't really been cooking like I normally do, and today I had a taste for some smoked sausages. And that's what we're gonna do today, y'all, with some butter beans and some bacon in the butter beans and some rice. So it's gonna be an easy, quick little meal, but I'm gonna bring the camera in with me, so stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm back. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing, and I told you this is going to be a quick, easy meal. Cheating all the way around. So we have our butter beans, the southern style seasoned. Normally I make my lima beans from dry, so we're using that. And we're going to use these smoked sausages today. And I have my pot right here with my water and a little bit of butter. We're going to turn this on. And that has 1 cup of water, and we're going to put in half a cup of rice, just regular plain white rice. I've already cut up my onions for my butter beans and for my sausage. And since it's just for me and the baby, I have 2 pieces of bacon that's going to go into my butter beans. I'm going to crumble that up. So we're going to get it going and let you guys see what your girl is doing in here. I told you this is going to be a quickie, probably about 20 minutes. We're going to start the butter beans up with just a little bit of water, just enough to cover the bottom of the pan. I put in a few onions in there and a little bit of butter. Now we're going to add our complete seasoning and our seasoned salt to your liking. And then once this gets going, we're going to just add the can of the butter beans. I know it says it's already seasoned, but I like my food to taste good, especially when it's not from scratch. And we have action on the water for the rice, so I'm going to go ahead and add 1 cup of just my regular rice, and I just take my rice and put it in this container. We're going to add half a cup of that because we have 1 cup of water ready for the rice. So there's the rice in there, guys. We're going to give it a stir or two. We're going to put the top on it, turn the heat down, and put the timer on for 18 minutes. Now we're ready over here. See the concoction that I have here for the butter beans? So we're just going to go ahead and dump that can of butter beans right over in there. And then we're going to take the bacon, crumble it up, and put it in there in about 5 minutes. And that'll be done. Now lastly, we have the smoked sausage. What I did is went ahead and cut them down the middle. I'm going to put a little bit of water in the pan. And then we're going to put our onions on there. And we're going to let them do their thing. We're going to cover them up and let them steam and do its thing. So yeah guys, when my rice is done, my whole meal will be complete. Now I think we have action over here with the butter beans. Almost. They're almost to a boil so that we can put the bacon in there. So there you have it, guys, a quick little meal. You can be in and out of the kitchen in less than 30 minutes. I flip the sausages over so that they really can do their thing, because I want a little bit of crispiness on the inside of the meat part, if you know what I mean. It smells so good in here, guys. I wish I had scratch and sniff. Okay, POB fam. I keep calling you guys POB fam. Well, really not POB fam, but you are still fam. Okay fam, this is the end result of what your girl made. The longest thing to take was the rice. That was 18 minutes. This is a meal that you can go in the kitchen and be out in 30 minutes from start to finish. Woo-wee, y'all see that smoke? Y'all see the steam? I'm ready to dig in. The baby is hungry.